Found a difference when reconciling? Don't panic. Discrepancies are common and almost always fixable. Let's methodically track them down. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, click the Locate Discrepancies button on the reconciliation screen. This report shows changes made to previously reconciled transactions, a common culprit. Next, check for transactions in QuickBooks that aren't on your statement, like outstanding checks, and vice versa. A single missing or duplicated transaction is often the cause. My crucial pro tip: look for transposed numbers. A $150 transaction entered as $510 can cause a $360 difference. Use the Locate Discrepancies report and sort by amount to quickly spot these sneaky errors. Solve reconciliation puzzles with a calm, systematic approach. What's the most creative reconciliation error you've ever found? For more problem-solving bookkeeping guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.